Today is blueberry muffins because my videographer, aka my daughter, wanted blueberry muffins today. So for the blueberry muffins, you're going to need sugar, flour, baking powder, salt, milk, blueberries, egg, and a half a stick or 4 tablespoons of melted butter. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to get the dry ingredients in the bowl, and I'll leave the measurements in the description box. And we're going to sift our dry ingredients. If you don't have an actual sifter, you can do it like this. Grab my teaspoon. And we're sifting all the dry ingredients. To the dry ingredients, you want to also add in your blueberries. They can be fresh or frozen. And you want to make sure I rinse them off. So I'm just going to put them in this measuring cup here. And then I'm going to step to the sink, rinse them off. Add them in there. And have my little whisk here. Now, what else I'm going to do is in a separate bowl, get my wet ingredients in that bowl. So that's going to be my butter, my egg, and my milk. That's my milk. The melted butter. And then my egg. Make sure you always break your egg in a separate bowl in case it's not good. And you want to make sure you don't get any shells in there. And that doesn't look like a good one, so I'm going to get me another egg. And then you add your egg in there. And then you're going to mix it all up. Now in the dry ingredients, you want to make sure make a well. And that's my oven saying it's ready. Add the wet ingredients. And we're going to gently mix. And there it is. So I'm going to get my muffin tin, get this stuff out of the way, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I got my muffin tin. I put some liners in there. And the only thing left to do is just scoop the batter into the muffin tin. I'm going to use an ice cream scooper just so it's more controlled as opposed to pouring it in there. So just take a scoop at a time. And you don't want to overfill it. So you just want to put like halfway filled. Try to get some blueberries in there. So this should make 12 muffins. And then you're going to put it in the oven. And I set my oven at 375. You're going to put it in the oven until when you poke a toothpick in the center, it comes out clean and the tops look brown and cooked. Depending on your oven, because every oven is different, it can take anywhere from 20, 25, or even as long as 30 minutes or so. Because like I said, it just depends on your oven. So you just take your time filling each one. And then the ones that has lesser batter, if you have batter left over, you're just going to add more batter to those. Here we go. And now I'm going to add these in the oven and we'll be back once they're completely cooked. Alright, so muffins have been done. It took approximately 30 minutes or so. And voila. And I'm just going to take them out of the pan and put them on the cooling rack. Once they've cooled down, they're ready to eat. Or if you're the type that likes to eat them warm, be my guest.